Let's make Uha soup. I'm gonna add my washed beef, tripe, and stockfish head. Add salt, more seasoning cube, blended pepper and onions, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Now stir. Cover and allow it to cook. Now let's check on the proteins. I'm going to add my dry catfish, cow food. I brought it out from my freezer. I'm going to add more water for the soup. I'm going to add palm oil. Cover and allow it to come to a boil. For my thickener, I will be using ede. I've already cooked it. Now I'm going to peel, transfer in my blender and blend until smooth. You can pound it if you wish. Now let's check on the soup. Yep, it's doing well. I'm going to add my pepper. Add pepper to your taste. I'm going to add Igbo. Crayfish. I'll give it a good stir. My blended cocoyam. I added palm oil. I'm gonna rinse it with a little bit of water. I'm gonna add now cover and allow it to cook. Now let's check on our soup. I'm gonna stir. I love the consistency. I'm gonna add my ozeza leaf. I brought it out from my freezer. At this time, I'll go in with my grilled fish. I'm gonna give it a good stir. I'm gonna cover and allow it to cook more to absorb the flavor from the soup. Now let's check. It's been cooking for a while. You guys, look at that. At this point, the aroma, the ozeza leaf has infused the flavor. So my word. I'm going to add my Uha leaf. I brought it out from my freezer. Look at that. One more cube. more crayfish. Have to be generous with your crayfish. I'm gonna stir. Give it a good stir. Uha soup. This is correct Uha soup. I'm gonna cover and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. It's done. Look at that. I love the consistency. I love everything about this soup. All done. I'm gonna off the heat and it's ready to serve. Uha soup.